Let's learn a new English word today. The word is reluctant. Reluctant means you don't really want to do something, but you may still do it. It's not a strong no. It's more like, I don't feel like it. For example, I was reluctant to wake up early today. That means I woke up, but I didn't want to. You can use reluctant when talking about decisions, plans, or actions. Another example, she was reluctant to share her opinion. So remember, reluctant means not willing, but not refusing. Follow FluentFlow TV to improve your everyday English.